Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Bondee in US and other countries. So I'm opening my Play Store and then search for Bondee. So as you can see guys, if it is not showing, so fix this issue. First of all, go back to the home screen and then open up Safari and search for Bondee Net and open this link. So tap on this download Bondee. As you can see guys, it's showing me the app not available. So tap on OK and then close this page. Again open up App Store and then tap on this profile and then tap on banner name. And then wait for a while. As you can see guys, it's country region, so tap on this. And then tap on change country or region and then select country Singapore. As you can see guys, so tap on agree, again tap on agree to confirm the process and then select none and then give it straight, this one fake one, and then give it a personal code. So Singapore personal code is 546080. So give it the phone number, this is fake one. So tap on this next. So tap on done and then close this page. Again open up App Store. Tap on search and then search for Bondee. As you can see guys, it's Bondee. So tap on get and then install for Bondee app in your iPhone. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me know comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.